Hello दोस्तों, welcome back to another video and today we have CMA Ruby Mishra with us and I hope this interview will help you all in deciding about the CMA course and various aspects of the CMA. So without wasting much time, let's begin. So first of all, how are you doing?
I'm fine, I'm fine. How are you?
So good and thank you for taking out some time for this. So let's start with your introductions. Tell us something about yourself.
Well, this is bad thing. I can't see myself, so without looking at myself, I can't start this interview.
Okay, so we can
Let
go.
me fix this also. Yeah, now it's fine. Now I can see myself.
Great.
So I'm Ruby Mishra, a practicing cost and management accountant based out of Noida, and I've also done my MBA from MIT. And right now I'm practicing in Noida. I also happen to be treasurer of Noida chapter, and I joined Noida chapter in 2019, just before lockdown, you can say. So it's been a good journey throughout. Yeah.
Great. So you are at the chapter right now?
No, I'm in my office right now.
How long you have been working?
It's been more than a decade, I think. I've started working after graduation, so since 2010 I'm working. It's been 11 years, I think.
So
Yes,
you will
11 years.
you will be having definitely a good exposure.
I look young, but I'm not. I'm 30.
Okay. What is your field basically? In which field you're working? Like basically in costing or financial accounting or anything like that?
I'm trying to venture into costing. I have few cost audits, but not much into costing. I'm more into accounting, FNA, you can say. I'm more into taxation, into general accounting. I'm trying to venture into costing. I have some things on my mind. I'm working on that. Let's see.
That's so have you also worked in corporates after qualifying CM?
Yes. I've worked in corporates. I've been working with MNCs and health ministry, Ministry of Textile, and I have a rich experience of working with government bodies. And I've worked with MNCs also, so I have both, experience of both the worlds, corporate worlds, typical government offices and typical MNCs. I've worked with both, luckily.
So how you
Both.
thought to start your own firm?
Yeah.
Sorry to interrupt.
No, it's okay. I've started my firm in 2018, June 2018.
Okay.
So the idea was to become a good consultant, provide consultancy, debut into consultancy because we had very few number of cost accountants into consultancy, and we are good at it. I think uh,
It's
we are good. Just I saw my seniors; they were more into accounting and compliances, so I thought, why not uh, increase some competition. But it was nice. I had very few competitors when I started off.
as I remember, I think I have seen your post when you have posted about your
Yeah.
new office. I
Mm-hmm.
when I have approached you at that time only, I think so.
Yes. I updated it everywhere. When I started, I before starting even I had my website. So you, what do I say? I just wanted to you know get some exposure through website.
Mhm.
So
So that
it was a
everyone
good
can
idea
know
to
that yes,
have your virtual profile.
yes, because in today's world, being on social media is very important, and being active on social
Is,
media is very
is
important.
virtual presence is very important because we've realized in last 1 year that we can't work without it. We must have a virtual presence.
Yes, right. So you can
It's
please
very
also share
important.
your firm name and all that if you want.
My firm's name is Ruby Mishra and Associates,
Yes.
and my website is cma@work.com.
Can you please repeat that website? I will just.
CMA at work, CMA at work.com.
Okay.
It's a very typical name for a CMA, but I always wanted to have something, some domain like this. And it was available thankfully, so I took it. And
And
I'm actually a CMA at work. So, in literal terms, it is CMA at work.
that's great. So, what skills did you develop early in your career?
Um, First and foremost, communication skills. I used to work for 2, 3 MNCs at that point of time. So I've learned to communicate basically and some elementary computer knowledge because belonging to this field, we are CMS, so we have very little amount of computer technological, you can say, knowledge exposure. So I started from very elementary training of computers when I learned accounting softwares and Excel, MIS reporting, then ventured into XPRL. So it was, sorry, it was very, I started from very elementary amount of training.
Because now, as I see, when I was my CM mentor, there was a computer training of 100 hours only, which was
Okay.
not that so much helpful. But now the institute have already announced about the new skill training where the
Hmm.
students have been taught Excel, SAP, so
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
be sure
Hmm.
efficient students.
Hmm. Hmm. Things are changing in CMA, but I would suggest to students to please have some elementary knowledge of computers. It's a must. I have students for final qualified, I have students in final completing their training from my firm. So when they started off from the firm, they were very, you can say, computer illiterate kind of student, but they improved. They've improved. I'll introduce you to my intern, 2 of my interns. They are in finals, so they started off from very basic knowledge of computers, and they are doing good.
Okay, yes, I can see. I also worked in corporate. I just left it in January 2021 only. So even I was not having so much knowledge of computer, and I started from
It's a
basic.
must. When you're working on Excel and you don't know the basics of sum or subtotal, then it's very shameful on us. Being in
That's
final, we compare
that
ourselves
I mean.
to, you know,
Yeah, yeah.
we compare ourselves to CS students, CS students. But
Hmm.
look at us. We are technologically, we are very, lagging behind. We are much way backward in terms of technology. So yeah.
So, what are the skills you have found vital to your work?
I'm
Well,
still learning. I'm still learning. From last 1 decade, I'm learning. I still feel like a student when someone talks about accounting or taxation or costing techniques. I always feel like I know a very little amount of costing. I'm trying to. I study, during midnights. I just get a panic attack, and I start learning. I'm still learning, and there's so much in costing and taxation that you can learn. And if you want to really entrepreneur in these areas, you need to learn.
yes, we need to study even
I
after
must
getting
say
qualified.
I know a lot of things, but I'm still learning. I can't comment on that. I know anything.
We keep learning till the uh,
Totally. And this is an area which needs continuous updation of skills. Keep updating.
so, what you would do differently if you can go back in time. You think that you regret something or you will be doing it.
I would say I would join a costing firm if I could go back in time. Kind of work I want to do right now, I see so much scope in costing. So I wish I could start from a costing firm. I never did my internship from any firm. So if I could get a chance to do some costing, elementary costing, that would be Good,
Yeah, because
good for me.
yeah, I can understand because many students ask that whether they should go to firm or organization for their expertise.
Obviously, they should at least for 1.5 years. You should do your training from a firm
Hmm.
because you're a cost and management accountant. You ought to be a cost and management accountant. So obviously, the costing part you should know about it. Management part, let's not comment on that. Will evolve to that level, but costing part, you should know. Basic costing at least you should know. We won't talk about compliance part, but costing part you should know. And for that, you need to join a cost accountant firm or anywhere where you can learn costing. You must just go for it. There are people from IITs, they are IIMs, they are doing good in consultancies. They have their own big consultancies. So you should try and join them. Start training from those companies or entrepreneurs. But at least have some training.
Yeah, right. And some students just go for dummy, which I think
Nobody
is
denies you training if you approach them rightly, not like
hmm.
hi sir, myself, and
Yeah, communication skills are
looking
the
for a
is the main
training.
problem in my in our CMA course. In our CMA students, not a course, in our CMA
It is a problem. Approach them nicely, like a professional. Everyone's willing to hire good talent,
students.
and CM is such a good degree. You can approach anywhere. It gives you that prestige. You can approach anywhere, and nobody will deny. If you want training, nobody will deny. Only thing is that your communication skill should be that acceptable, within acceptable norms.
And how a student present himself in the
It's a must, obviously. Your virtual presence, like I get lots of mails for training, and I actually get offended by reading those mails. And sometimes they put 25, 30 CMAs in single mail. Dear sir, I say I'm not sir, yeah. Stop calling me sir. Looking for training.
I can understand because even I got some mails regarding the doubts, and it was like a very informal communication which I have received.
It's totally informal and wrong.
Yes,
Grammatically, also, it's very wrong.
yes, I received.
Writing is very wrong.
Mhm.
At least you can Google it, or you use internet phones. You have internet in your phones. At least you can YouTube or Google, and you'll get a basic sample of how to send resume.
How to send an email. There are
You
multiple.
write CV on your resume. You can't even pronounce resume. These are basic skills. At least you can Google it. We are not here to teach you how to write your resume, right?
Yes,
Do some basic amount of research before sending a resume.
they do not put efforts. They
I
just
feel very bad. You are a CMA student. At least we are a postgraduate course. You can say right now. So in this postgraduate course, if you're not able to write resume, I can't even comment on that. Just so shameful. Do some elementary amount of research at least.
so, as we have talked about this post graduation, so recently it has come that
Yes.
UGC has announced it. So,
Yes.
what opinion do you have about it? It's like really good or anything about that?
It's good. I'm double postgraduate now.
Mhm.
I did my MBA and this double postgraduate.
Don't you think that our course has gone to is become equal to post graduation, so it will go down like something like that?
No, it will never go down. It just gives you leverage in institutes or UGC affiliated universities. It opens up basically your arenas or scope of CMS. You can go for multiple amounts of. There's no drawback for you. Multiple amounts of careers you can venture into.
There is an
So,
additional opportunity.
yes, it is. You can become assistant professors or in research. There are different avenues you can try for. We are postgraduates now.
And have you been also told that there is no scope for CMA? Because since I started
No,
research in this,
no, no. I once met a practicing or very senior practicing cost accountant. He said, तुम्हारे लिए कोई स्कोप नहीं है, तुम क्यों प्रैक्टिस में आ गई? Very recently he said, तुम्हारे लिए कोई स्कोप नहीं है, उनका सिर्फ स्कोप है. मेरी नेटवर्थ बढ़ गई है.
You all have people like them in life.
Yeah, I'm sitting in my own office. I have my own car. What else you expect in 2 years period of time? Scope है तभी ना सर.
Okay. So I am right now. I'm a final student. I have recently given my exams in January.
Okay.
But this question I would like to ask on behalf of all the CMA students that what they should do to improve their career prospects.
You need to take cognizance of your own career, you know, some basic amount of research, some reading, good amount of reading. Start with newspapers. They are must for us because every amount of change, everything is there in newspapers. Your vocabulary will definitely improve, and start being active on social media handles, or you know, it's your own effort. It is important. Technological plus vocabulary and these communication skills. Okay, agreed that you are very good in academics, but only academics are not going to give you the kind of career you want to. So try to excel in these areas also. These are must, you know.
Because I think studies only help in getting the entrance to a particular organization or
Obviously, studies are important. Your intellect and kind of degree you're into, it is obviously important. This is the first thing you must focus on. But these additional things are important because we've advanced. You know, we are not anymore the desk 9 to 5 general employee kind of people. You know, we are venturing into lots of things. So you must try to, you know, imbibe those things into your personality.
being a
At least
professional. We have
I'm trying
to
to.
right?
Obviously,
Miss.
I'm trying to imbibe these skills. I'm still trying to, you know,
Okay.
different kinds of softwares, different kinds of readings, different kinds of research, skills, different kinds of skills. I'm learning every day. I learn from IT guys. Whenever I get time, I just try to learn about languages, different kind of languages, different kind of coding, different kind of softwares, different kinds of research, different kind of notifications. I try to, you know, there's a lot you can do in your free time, and there's no looking back. You are more than a CA, more than a CS. If you try to, you know, focus on your thing, you're more than that. When I go somewhere, I approach client. They say, "Madam, अभी तक कहाँ थे आप?" There's more to us, you know. Intellect wise, studies wise, career wise, syllabus wise, we are more than these courses.
Right. And how do you maintain your work and life balance? You have recently started your firm.
This is what I always wanted to do, so I don't feel any pressure in anything. So it's easy balancing. I can take holidays whenever I want to. When I have commitments, then I focus on those only. Clients are priority when you're in consultancy. So it's easy now, you know, managing things. Again, I would say if your firm is IT enabled, you're good in IT skills, then you can manage from anywhere. It's totally a cloud based thing if you're technology enabled firm. So I can manage for even if I take holidays or I go somewhere in hills or Himalayas, I can manage my business from there also. So we are technologically advanced. There's no problem in balancing life or career.
Basically, work from home can be work from mountains also.
It can be. If you're technologically enabled, it can be. It's possible.
What would be your advice to the CMA students or the students who are
Keep learning, man. Keep learning. Yeah, I had to introduce you from to my one of my interns, Riya, come here. Say hi to Rohan.
Hello, how
Hello.
you have been doing?
Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, you are. Now you are. So I'm a CMA final student.
Okay.
So currently I'm waiting for the result, which will be announced next Monday,
Mm-hmm.
coming Monday.
So you have
Yeah.
given both groups of CMA final or a single?
No, I have cleared Group 3 exam in December 2019 itself.
Okay, okay.
So I remember when they joined me last year, they had very elementary amount of knowledge of computers or Excel. And look at them now. I mean, they are doing cost audits, internal audits, and
Mm-hmm.
they are managing our server, managing our website, emails. They communicate with clients. Actually, we have learned a lot in this firm. I will not recall the name of my previous firm where I worked in 2018. So, compared to that, I have learned a lot on every aspect, like overall development.
That's great. That's great. Okay, mentor, it also depends on the mentor, right? If they want
Yes,
to
exactly. Actually, there is, lack of proper guidance. I feel so. Being a student,
Mhm.
I think that this is the, urgent requirement, urgent need that students should be guided in a very correct direction, like which in which field, like in taxation or in accounting or in finance, where do we want to make, where do we want to make our career. So I think this is one of the problems that being a student we all are facing. But thanks to the firm where I'm working currently. तो ये मेरी तारीफ करने के लिए था बेसिकली. ये स्क्रिप्टेड था.
So yeah,
No, not
I
at
will
all.
not cut this.
But it matters, they इन लोगों ने खुद भी मेहनत की है. They worked a lot. They worked after office also. They worked on audits. They worked very hard. So it's their own cognizance also. Their personal hard work, I would say.
So you also do PSK audit and stock audits.
Yes, we do. All kinds of audits, compliances, and consultancy. Project management. We are into project management also.
Hmm. But if see,
And
recent notification have been came where GST audit have been abolished from. I think this financial year it will be abolished, right?
yes, but then it's compliance, so we can't depend on compliance. We have to, be skillful to employ our knowledge into work, our basic knowledge of costing and management. We can do a lot more than compliance.
Mm-hmm.
So only depending on compliance would not take us anywhere. I think.
Okay, so being a CMA, we have huge scope.
We have a lot of scope in business other than consultancy. Also, if you want to start your manufacturing unit or anything else, this knowledge of costing will take you to heights you can't even imagine if you employ it in good, skillful way.
Mm. So I think I'm done with the questions. If you have anything else, you can share.
Hmm. I don't I don't have anything to share. I think I'm very private kind of person in terms of socializing with CMAs or any social events. You're a student and you wanted some kind of guidance. So this is very first time I came on some platform to speak. Otherwise, I just whenever I see a mic and they are telling me Ruby speak, I just go and hide somewhere between the students and nobody recognizes me because I still look like a student. So I go and sit somewhere in middle of the crowd. I don't want to interact normally, but you're a student and you need guidance, so I thought I could relate with you, you know.
Mm-hmm.
When I was young, I was looking for guidance. There was nobody to guide me, so
Yeah, because
I'm there.
most of the students do not know about CMA right now, and I think that is
Anyone can contact me. Students can contact me for any kind of guidance they're looking for. I'm always there for students, you know,
mm.
and I don't charge.
I was also a bit nervous because I have not interviewed any qualified CMA till now. Though I am in touch with qualified CMAs, but I have not interviewed any one of them. I just interviewed all India rank holders. So
Hmm.
it is the first interview that I did. And I think most of the students will get benefited from this.
They can approach me directly. You can post my contact number. You can post my email ID. Anybody can contact me directly they've got any kind of doubts, or even for if they need help in resume writing or approaching a company, or they want to clear some interviews. So me along with entire Noida chapter, we are there to help them. Anytime they can visit the chapter, they can call me. They can come to my office. For students, I can take out time. Any amount of guidance you need, I'm always there. You know, I've been through this a lot of times, so I have some personal attachment to this kind of dilemma all the time.
Yes, that's so good. So that's all. It has been a wonderful session with you. And
Same here, and all the best to you. And I hope you make this kind of videos. You keep making these videos, and it helps a lot. You know. So all the best to you. You're doing a good job, I must say. You're doing good, and all the best. You've got a lot of potential. You will do much better with this video quality thing. You can we
I,
can improve work on this. You know.
yeah, I have just researched on many softwares and all this stuff for YouTube so that I can present in the best way. And in today morning only I have researched the screen recording software which will be good to record this interview.
There are many. You know. There are many softwares. I'll send you link.
Because I wanted to present this, so I have just researched a lot.
Get it. Google is good, but there are many softwares which have got more clarity in terms of video and audio sync.
Hmm.
So we can work on that.
Sure. And if I get a chance, I will surely definitely visit the chapter. It's in
You can, you
which
can.
sector?
Sector 10 Noida.
Sector 10 model. Okay, I will definitely try to visit.
Sure, sure. And all the best.
Thank you so much. And
Okay.
for job and all that.
No, no, that's fine.
keep uh, keep supporting all the CMS students like this only.
I will always. Okay. Take care. I'm signing off.
Thank you.
Okay.